Tesla plaid. I want to see this thing launch.
Dude, it's gonna be unbelievable.
Our first look at a plaid. I've never seen one. It's the first time I've seen one ever. He's got to launch though. He's got to put it.
All right, 3 each over there.
God damn.
We are down, ready to go here for one last Wednesday. We're right over there.
943. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I know guys, I know it's been a minute. We've been busy guys. So COVID things got life a little crazy and we just been busy and not a lot of time to record, definitely no time to edit. So but we're here today. We're at the track and we're taking the Supra to the track for the first time. It's still technically stock. It's got a cold air intake and an exhaust. So I'm gonna show y'all something because everybody here knows Rob. See, Rob, my boy, the one that had the Supra, gave me all the parts of the Supra. You see the look there. He gave me all his parts. He didn't give them to me, but he gave me a real good deal on them. And because he got rid of Supra, and he went and got himself a vet. He had a vet before, and the dealer actually ruined his vet and bought it back. So he's excited. He's gonna run for the first time. He actually got rid of the Supra, got a Porsche Cayman, and then I guess he wasn't a huge fan of the Porsche. And then he traded that and the Audi for the vet. It's a Grand Sport, but he's gonna do some work to that thing. So that car's definitely gonna get some work. It's still mostly stock for the most part. So I mean, I don't even know if it has an exhaust in it, honestly. So we'll be doing a review on that car soon. So Rob says I'm gonna do mid 12s. I'll be happy if I do a mid 12 for a stock car. Is that considered? That's not stock though, right? That's good. What, 50? That's a good 15, 20 horsepower right there, right? At least.
That you're practicing, homie. You can get.
Do you see that? He took advantage of Rob's messed up JB4 Supra.
And it's gonna be against somebody that.
Fucker, we could have ran right now.
Low 12s, huh?
We could have ran right now.
Who, me?
Yeah, me and you.
Right now.
All right, guys. So first pass in the Supra. I had the AC on right now. It's stupid hot. I've been sitting here for over an hour. Oh man. Not gonna go crazy with it. Rob told me how to launch it, so he said don't even lose the launch control. The launch control on these cars kind of suck, so I'm not even gonna go over the water or nothing. Thank you. All right, so yeah, Daddy did good. Daddy got almost a 10. It's just hot, man. This heat is killing these turbo cars. So time was, let's see if I can show you, 12.8, and I know I slept on the line. Oh yeah, my 60 foot was terrible. My reaction time was terrible. So 12.8 at 108 mile an hour. So I know I could definitely get this car in at least in the lower 12. This is right now, it's killing. This heat is hurting anything boosted at the moment. Any cars are probably running better right now. at the red light, I did better, 12.725 at a 108, so same mile an hour. So, but I red lit, so it's all about my reaction. Yeah, that was a negative 008, so clearly, just a hair, It's all good, hey, that's how we learn, that's how we do things. If you don't get a 10, it's completely your fault. Oh, this is one of these you're talking about, right, Danny? With the supercharger?
Yeah.
What are these called?
It's B8 S4.
Oh, these are nice. These are the whiny ones, right?
Yep.
What, you want to try to redeem yourself?
I didn't lose.
Oh, look, you can race that guy. You probably win.
He ran 13.
Let's see. I'm going to shoot for, what, 11.5. I can get, I mean, a 12.5. Shit. If I can get 11.5, right. But I'll shoot for a 12.5. Bone stock car, and the next time I bring it, it won't be stock anymore. Well, I shouldn't say bone stock. It has an egg take. I know some of you guys are going to be like, well, it's not stock. So, there you go. And he needs to get a 10. If you don't get a 10, you suck.
A 10.
Yes, if you don't get a 10, it's driver mod.
It's not driver mod, it is
It could be tire mod too.
It could be tire mod. Went down 2 pounds. Let's see if that helps.
Did he tell you what to launch it at?
He said to see what it does this time with the lower pressure, but
I'm gonna do this one more and that's it. If you want to do one more, I'll stay here with you.
okay. We'll see what it does this time.
Well, you're logging too.
Yeah.
Look at you race car. Alright, turn up AC. This is hot as fuck. Alright, last pull. Last pull for the night. That's it. Just gonna do a hold it on red light.
You know your shift RPM?
My shift RPM?
You have it tuned at all?
That's not. This is bone stock still, dude.
I was gonna tell you, if you put it in manual mode, start it in second,
Okay.
you'll have a better launch.
I'll try that right now. I appreciate it.
Yep.
Alright, well, we'll try that.
Top 3.
12.3.
He's pretty close.
What did you do?
11.8.
11.8. Yeah.
He passed me.
What'd you get, fucker?
11.5.
You getting slower?
Yeah, I'm about to fix this bitch. I'm flashing that other tune back in. Fuck this tune. Dude, I got fucking halfway out.
It cut?
It shifted. You could hear it.
I thought I heard something.
And then I just stayed in. I said, fuck it. And I was like,
I thought I heard
and then
something.
and then it went. And
Was it the trans?
No, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, go
It's
back
doing
to
it on the shift.
could
It
be the
shifts and
trans.
then.
All right, so this car's pretty consistent. 12.8, 12.8, 12.7. So I think the weather's definitely not helping. I think on a cooler day, this car's definitely gonna do a 12.5. But it is what it is. Next time it comes to track, we sending it, boys. We sending it. So I might need a tire next time. So I guess we'll see. Traction might be the problem next time. So. All right, guys. So last pull, decided to do one more pull and see if I can get any better. But I don't know if I can. Just it's too hot. Everybody's suffering. Everybody. I think Javi's down like 4 or 5 miles an hour. Danny's down like I think 4 or 5 miles an hour too, or maybe more. A lot of the guys are just hurting right now. It's just the heat. The heat is killing us, and it's still. I mean, it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and it's I think 89 degrees. So it's just not good. The DA is in the 2000s. So it's what it is. But we'll try. We'll go at it one more time. I'm gonna race Javi this time, so it should be a little fun. At least some competition. Like, I didn't race nobody the last time around. So let's get it. We'll do one more pass and then we'll close it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had fun though. This is fun. So I'm really excited to get this cartoon now. I probably should have done this sooner, and I probably would have tuned it sooner. So it is what it is.
He's gonna start thinking about waiting in the car.
Because the guy stopped me when I went to do it again. I just put my foot on the brake. I didn't press. So when I pressed the gas, the car started to move and I had to let off. and like readjust as the tree's going down.
Oh, shit.
And I'm just like pressing and just like, yeah, fuck it. I still got a 0.2.
Yeah.
What'd you
Like,
get? I didn't see my reaction. What'd I
Wait,
get?
12.4, 109. But I spun. I turned traction control
I
all the
did
way
12.8.
off.
My car's consistent.
12.8.
That car's 12.8, 12.8, 12.8.
So I turned traction control all the way off and I spun.
Hey, I want to ice
That's why I turned it off. I went to sport mode 2. I mean 1. I didn't even go in that 2 because I'm like, I'm gonna spin it if I go in there.
All right, that's the only one you're gonna get.
Yeah, no.
All right, guys. So there it is. Fun time with Supra. Learning the car is what it is. Not the exact numbers I wanted, but only room for improvement. So that's it. That's it. So I definitely get better once this thing's tuned down pipe. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So all right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about Supra and all the other cars that we had fun with today. So we'll see y'all later. Y'all take care of yourselves.